Hey guys, welcome back. And in today's video, we will learn about the header and footer element in HTML. So, what are header and footer elements in HTML? The header element in HTML puts a header on our website. The header is always at the top and usually consists of things like the title, hyperlinks, etc. The footer element puts a footer on our website. The footer is always at the bottom and usually consists of additional information, hyperlinks, and footnotes. A typical website is composed of the header, then the main element, and finally the footer element. The header is the head of the website. We mostly use it to write titles, descriptions, navigation links, etc. The main element is in the middle of the header and the footer. This is where most of our website content is. This includes titles, paragraphs, images, videos, links, etc. The last element is the footer element. It is all the way at the bottom. We use it to leave footnotes, navigation links, copyright information, and any further detail about our website. Let's create a website together. Here, I have a header element. First, we need to write the open and close header tags with the header keyword all lowercase. We will write a little h1 title element. Then, we will create a hyperlink to Google. I will also use the style attribute to color the background of our header element light green so that we can better see it. But it is not mandatory. If we run this, we will see our header element with a light green background holding our H1 title and a hyperlink to Google. Time for the main element. Now to write the main element, write the open and close main tags with the main keyword all lowercase. Then we will write a smaller H3 title element. Next, we will write a video element. If you don't know how to make a video element, then I highly advise you to check out our video on that. Link in the description down below. And finally, we will write a paragraph element. If we run this, we will see our main element content with our header element. Time for the footer element. To write a footer element, first write the open and close footer tags with the footer keyword all lowercase. Then I prefer writing the horizontal rule or the HR element. The horizontal rule is simply a long horizontal line that divides a website. I think it looks nice for the footer, but you don't have to put it on your website. Then we will write some information in a paragraph element. To go to the next line, simply write the BR element. Then I will write another paragraph tag regarding copyright information. The copyright symbol is the symbol with a C inside of a circle. If you want to write that, write the ampersand sign followed by the word copy and ending with a semicolon. No spaces. And finally, I will write an anchor tag to mail someone. This is what our website looks like with all of our components. The header element holds our title, the main element holds our video, and the footer holds our additional information. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.